Welcome back, Future Medicos. On 23rd June 2021, CMC Ludhiana has released a notification which kickstarts the admission process for the year 2021. In this video, I'm going to cover the categories of seats available in CMC Ludhiana, the number of seats available under each category, the application process, where should you apply, when should you apply, who should apply, the service commitment or bond you need to sign with CMC Ludhiana, the documents needed for application and the formats. And finally, I'll be covering the expected fee structure for MBBS at CMC Ludhiana. So stay with me until the end of this video so that you can understand the entire process for CMC Ludhiana for the year 2021. Now let us see the website of CMC Ludhiana and see what is the notification that has been published by CMC Ludhiana on 23rd June 2021. Right now, I am on the website of CMC Ludhiana. You can see here UG 2021 MBBS BDS admissions updated 23rd June 2021. I strongly recommend you to go and see this document, read this document completely. Okay, a lot of useful information is available here. So you can go through this and understand what they are saying. However, I'm not going to go through this notification, but I'm going to give you a summary of all the information available in this notification. First of all, you need to understand that CMC Ludhiana is affiliated to Baba Farid University of Health Sciences, Punjab, which is shortly known as BFUHS. And BFUHS is also the admission authority for Punjab medical admission. Now let us look at the categories available in CMC Ludhiana. There are 5 categories available and there are totally 75 seats available for MBBS at CMC Ludhiana. Category 1, which is called Open General. Under this Open General category, Punjab candidates get 8 seats and All India candidates get 4 seats. For this, you do not need to be a Christian. Any candidate, as long as you have cleared NEET, can apply under the category 1. I will cover category 2 later. Now let's look at category 3, which is specifically for Punjab residents only. You should be a SC/ST candidate from Punjab, and there are 3 seats available under this category. Category 4 is reserved once again for Punjab residents only, and this should be for candidates who come under the backward community or other backward community, BC or OBC, and only 1 seat is reserved under this category. Category 5, which is for NRI candidates, and it is again available for All India candidates. Anyone can apply as long as you qualify as an NRI, and there are 11 seats available under this category. And finally, category 2, which is Christian minority with service commitment. For this, only those Christians who are sponsored by the members of CMC Ludhiana Society can apply. And they also have a certain service commitment after completing the MBBS degree. Under this category, they have 48 seats. And there are some subcategories within category 2. I will explain that shortly. Now let us look at where should you apply. I told you there are 5 categories, and where should you apply? Should I apply to CMC Ludhiana? Is it necessary for everyone, even for open general candidates, to submit their application to CMC Ludhiana? That is what I am going to answer now. So for the first one, category 2, which is Christian minority with service commitment, the first step is you need to submit letter of service commitment. Now, what is letter of service commitment? You need to get a recommendation letter from the member body of CMC Ludhiana Society, and then you need to submit this letter of service commitment to CMC Ludhiana. So this is the first step, and this is what the notification is showing you. Now I will show you what are the member bodies of CMC Ludhiana, so you can see whether you you will be eligible under this category. Now, these are the list of bodies or churches represented on the Christian Medical College Ludhiana Society. Once again, this notification is available on CMC Ludhiana website. I will also provide a link to this document in the description below. You can download and check whether your diocese, whether your church is available in the list. So to start with, Synodical Board of Health Services, New Delhi, Church of South India, Chennai, Council of Baptist Churches in Northeast India. Right? So similarly, there are about 27 bodies that are sponsoring candidates to CMC Ludhiana. So you can see here, St. Stephen's Hospital, the Leprosy Mission, and Western Regional Board of Health Services. So these are the 27 bodies I'm talking about. And the last one, you can see the number 28 is CMC Ludhiana themselves. The college and their outreach centers, they also have some sponsorship. So you can get a sponsorship from 28 different organizations. For example, in case if your church or diocese is not in the first 27, then you can directly apply to CMC Ludhiana. CMC Ludhiana will consider your application if you cannot find any other sponsors. So category 2 candidates, you need to contact the member body of CMC Ludhiana Society and get a letter of service commitment and submit it to CMC Ludhiana. When should you submit? The deadline given is 2nd August 2021. So this is the deadline given now. But every year I see generally they extend this date, but don't take it very lightly. Try to submit the letter of service commitment before 2nd August 2021. Then what should you do? The second step, CMC Ludhiana will release an application. Right now they have not released the application. They have only told you to get the letter of service commitment. Then later on they will release an application which is mainly called application for Bible test. So if you are under category 2, you must apply for this Bible test. So I will show you how the application looks like. So the application will look like this. This is the application from 2020. You can see here, application for Bible test, Christians with service commitment category. So only Christians with service commitment has to apply this. Others no need to apply. So you need to provide your photograph, name of the applicant, NEET details, BFUHS registration. I will talk about that shortly. Your personal details, which category you are applying, your academic details, DD for the Bible test, and then finally the declaration and the enclosures which you need to submit to CMC Ludhiana. So this is the second step for candidates with service commitment. Now what else we need to do? That's it. You do not need to do anything else until the NEET exam. These are the 2 steps category 2 candidates have to do. Then all the other steps will happen after NEET results. For example, category 1 candidates, they need to register only with Baba Farid University. They do not need to register with CMC Ludhiana, or they do not need to submit an application to CMC Ludhiana. They need to register only with Baba Farid University after NEET results. This is applicable for Punjab residents as well as candidates from other states. There are 4 seats under All India category. So if you are a candidate from other states, you can certainly apply to Baba Farid University. And then during counseling, you can select CMC Ludhiana as one of your choices. Then how about category 2 candidates? They have already applied to CMC Ludhiana. Should they also apply to Baba Farid University? Yes, it is mandatory that you must also apply to Baba Farid. Don't just relax that, oh, I have submitted my application to CMC Ludhiana, I don't need to do anything else. No, don't relax. You also have to submit your application to Baba Farid University. Only if you submit the application to Baba Farid University, you will be able to get a seat in CMC Ludhiana. So for Christian candidates with service commitment, you need to submit application to CMC Ludhiana as well as BFUHS. So once you submit the application to Baba Farid, take a copy of that application and then send it to CMC Ludhiana. So as a Christian minority candidate, you need to do these steps, which are in addition to the general candidates. Category 3, which is SC/ST candidates from Punjab, they need to submit their application, or they need to register only with the university. They don't need to register with CMC Ludhiana. The same holds good for category 4, BC, OBC candidates from Punjab. You need to register only with the university. And finally, NRI candidates, you need to register with Baba Farid University. You do not need to apply to CMC Ludhiana, but you need to submit a copy of your Baba Farid University application along with proof of NRI and eligibility certificate and send it to CMC Ludhiana. Okay, you are not submitting an application, but you are basically giving a copy of the university application to CMC Ludhiana for their reference. So this is where you should apply. Depending on your category, you decide where you should apply, where you should register. Now let us look at some details which are particularly relevant for Christian minority with service commitment. As I told, there are 48 seats available for category 2, but there are certain subcategories under category 2. Category 2A is only candidates from Punjab. Category 2B is mainly South India, which includes Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Puducherry, and Tamil Nadu. Category 2C, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Daman and Diu, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Rajasthan, Lakshadweep. Category 2D is for candidates from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Category 2E is for candidates from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. Category 2F includes candidates from Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, and Chandigarh. And finally, category 2G is service commitment directly with CMC Ludhiana and its outreach centers. So these are the 7 subcategories within category 2. So look at which category you are eligible and you need to choose it accordingly. Now, how many seats available for each category? The first category, that is category 2A, has 15 seats. The next 5 categories, that is category 2B to category 2F, has 6 seats each. So that adds up to 30 seats. And finally, category 2G, there are 3 seats. All this information is based on 2020 admission. I strongly recommend you to look at the prospectus for 2021 and just double check these data. Right now, the 2021 prospectus is not available yet. Once it is available, you can go through and try to understand whether it exactly matches these numbers. Right now, I'm providing all this information just for your reference and advanced planning. Now, candidates with service commitment, as I told you, you need to serve the hospitals of CMC Ludhiana Society for a minimum period of 2 years if you are studying MBBS, and it will be 1 year for BDS candidates. Bible test. You need to take the Bible test if you are applying under category 2. And you need to pass the Bible test. And Bible test marks are not considered for ranking. It's only a qualification, but the ranking will purely be based on NEET marks. Bible score will not be taken into account to rank the candidates. If you fail the Bible test, if you are a Christian candidate and you have applied under category 2, but you fail the Bible test, then you will not be considered under category 2 and you will be considered only as open general candidate. Now, what are the details of Bible test? This is a test that contains 50 questions based on facts from the Holy Bible. Multiple choice questions with 3 choices each. The test will be conducted only in English language. No negative marking for wrong answers. and the passing score is 40 percentage. That is, you need to get 20 questions right out of 50 questions. What are the necessary documents for Christian minority candidates with service commitment? You need to submit your baptism certificate. Right now, these are not needed. When the application is called for, some of these documents you need to submit. At the time of admission, some documents you need to submit, but I'm giving you the list so that you can prepare all these documents and keep it ready. Baptism certificate is needed. Letter from the pastor in charge of the church regarding church membership with dates. Letter of service commitment from the body or church of the CMC Ludhiana Society signed by the authorized signatory. This is needed right now. You need to start this letter of service commitment. Affidavit of service duly notarized. This may be needed only at the time of admission. Domicile certificate. So I told you there are a lot of subcategories, and you may be belonging to a particular state. Say, for example, you are from Karnataka. Then you need to produce a domicile certificate to prove that you are from Karnataka, so that you can be considered under category 2B. Now, this domicile is needed for minimum 5 years. And it should submit a recently issued certificate of residence or domicile duly certified by competent authority. So look at your state, who is issuing this domicile certificate or residence certificate or nativity certificate, and get it from them. And it should reflect at least that you are staying in that particular state for a minimum of 5 years. Now let us look at the fee structure. Once again, this is based on 2020. The fees may slightly go up in 2021. I'm not sure. As of now, I'm just giving you some information for your advanced planning. So based on 2020 notification, the first year fees is 6.6 lakhs, and every year the fees increases by 10%. So second year 7.26 lakhs, third year 7.92, fourth year 8.58, and fifth year, which is 50% of the total fees, is 4.62 lakhs. So if you look at the total cost, it comes to about 35 lakhs for studying MBBS at CMC Ludhiana. So this fee structure is applicable for everyone except the NRI candidates. That is category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. All the candidates will be paying this fee structure. However, candidates with service commitment may get some subsidy. But if you want to avail the subsidy, you need to produce certain documents to CMC Ludhiana, like proof of income of parents. You need to submit your IT returns, salary certificate, Form 16. All these need to be submitted to CMC Ludhiana, and they may consider to give you subsidy, but there is no guarantee that you will get it, but they may consider it. The fee structure for NRI is 110,000 US dollars, which is the fees for the entire course. It's not yearly fees, it's the fees for the entire course, which is US dollar 110,000, which works out to approximately about 80 lakhs as of today. And the hostel fees, excluding electricity charges and mess charges, will come to about 28,000 per year. So you need to add that to your cost. So electricity charges and mess charges will depend on the consumption. So that will vary every month. So these are the expenses typically you need to plan when you are trying to join CMC Ludhiana. Now this is the prescribed format for letter from the pastor in charge. Generally, this format will be provided when the prospectus is released by CMC Ludhiana. This is the prescribed format for getting the affidavit for service. Once again, this form will be part of the prospectus that will be released by CMC Ludhiana. Now, where I got all this information is available in CMC Ludhiana website, and I have also referred to the information bulletin that was released for 2020 and the various notifications that were released during 2020 and the previous years. So all this information is not from me. All this information were published by CMC Ludhiana at different stages. Only thing I want you to take note is, as I repeatedly saying, this is based on the previous years. If there are any changes in this year, you need to look at that. Thank you very much. I hope I have addressed a lot of questions about CMC Ludhiana. If you still have any questions, please leave your questions in the comments below. I will try to address them. Thank you very much. I see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.